Hey, my name is Nico, and welcome to Runway This Week. This week, we were excited to release several new updates to Runway workflows. First, Nano Banana Pro is now fully integrated into your favorite workflows. This model offers exceptional editing capabilities to support your daily creative projects. We're also thrilled to announce a new set of nodes powered by 11 Labs to give you greater control over voices and audio. From simple text-to-speech to dubbing the voice lines of your videos into any language, make sure to explore these new nodes. Additionally, we've made our first step towards enhancing the shareability of workflows within your team. You can now share workflows across the workspace, allowing colleagues to benefit from your pipelines. We will continue to develop more shareability features in the coming weeks. Lastly, we've introduced numerous quality of life features that you will notice while building a workflow. You can now duplicate nodes, select multiple nodes at once, and much more. For this week's tip, we wanted to share a workflow that has found a lot of success in broadcast and film studios. Replacing backdrops while maintaining character consistency can often be incredibly time-consuming. With workflows, we can create a pipeline that allows us to customize our characters and place them into an infinite number of new backdrops. Here's our initial input image. Using an image-to-image approach, we start with two different operations. First, we build a string that places our character on a green screen, which we will then refine later. Second, we create a string that extracts the style out of our initial image and generates new backdrops for us to use. We then merge those two strings back into an image-to-image node to integrate our character into the new scenes. We continue to input these results into a video model and request it to add dialogue to the image. Additionally, we also link the video model to our 4K upscaler, which enhances all of the details. As a final step, we use Runway ML to place our animated character on a green screen in case we want to use a specific performance with a different background. Let's move on to our community showcase. This week, we wanted to showcase the short film, The Third Den by Felipe Orozco. This nearly 3.5-minute film was entirely created using Runway workflows. It follows a character running through an apocalyptic world while trying to recall the past. Felipe referenced many scenes to ensure continuity and consistency throughout the piece, making it a great example of how creatives are enhancing their projects using Runway workflows. That brings us to our Discord segment. If you're not already a member, make sure to join the Runway Discord using the link below. We host daily challenges for you to participate in. The challenge for today is the word fishing. So as always, you have time until tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern, to generate something that you think works well with the word fishing. Good luck. A week full of updates for Runway workflows. We continue to follow many amazing creations and see how much these models can really give using these more advanced pipelines. We'll be back next week with more features and updates. Until then, we wish everybody happy generating. See you next week. Ciao.